Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Raipur location. It is from Chhattisgarh. Let us see what are the job openings in detail. Firstly, there is a job opening for Project Associate in Indian Institute of Technology, Biloy. And there are two vacancies are available for this job role. Coming to the qualifications for this job role, the candidates should have bachelor's degree in engineering or technology or MSc in computer science or MCA from a recognized university or equivalent is preferred. Coming to the desired qualifications, like degree in computer science with highly coding proficiency and having a good knowledge of cryptography, security, and embedded systems programming, and preference will be given to candidates having NET, NET or GATE scores and working experience and relevant to the projects. And coming to the salary, it will be 31,000 per month plus HRA. And last date for the application is 31st October. And interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link given below in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening available in Reliance Nippon Life Insurance. They are looking for personal assistant. Coming to the job requirements, only females between the age 25 to 30 years can apply, and personal assistant needed in a Raipur location and should be beautiful with business mindset with life insurance knowledge and willing for tour 15 days in month and graduate must and fluent in English, and salary will be 2.4 to 3.6 lakhs per annum. These are the job requirements. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box. Coming to the next one, there is a job opening available in Nishan Nathani Boutique. They are looking for digital marketing executive. Coming to the job responsibilities, those like the candidates have should design, maintain, and supply content for the organization's website and format strategies to build lasting digital connection with customers, monitor company presence on social media, launch advertisements to increase brand awareness, and these are the responsibilities for the candidates. And coming to the qualifications, bachelor's degree in marketing or a related field and excellent understanding of digital marketing concepts and experience with business to customer and social media and content generation and strong creating and analytical skills are preferred. This is about the job role. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening for team leader in Ventura Securities Limited. Coming to the job description or profile description, the candidates are responsible for recruitment and management of representatives, train and motivate team members to provide a better understanding of market or products, monitor and review team members' performance, help them achieve maximum business, and meeting existing customers on a regular basis for achieving service standards. This is a job description. And coming to the desired skills and experience, the candidates should have skills in these ones team management, team leadership, operations, team handling, and team leading and operations management. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening available in Court Ad by Marriott. They are looking for loss prevention manager. Coming to the position summary, the candidates should conduct key control audit, monitor electronic key boxes, issue or receive master keys, radios and beepers, and ensure the safekeeping of these items, and patrol all areas of the property, assist a guest with room access, monitor closed circuit televisions and alarm systems, and response to accident and contact EMS or administer first aid or CPR as required and assist guests or employees during emergency situations and notify appropriate individuals in the event of accidents, attacks or other incidents and diffuse guest or employee disturbances and call for outside assistance if necessary and complete incident reports to document all security or loss prevention related incidents. This is a position summary. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening available in heavy tech machinery. They are looking for sales executive telecaller. Coming to the job responsibilities, the candidates have to meet and exceed sales targets and successfully create business from new and existing customer accounts, manage complex negotiations with senior level executives, build rapport and establish long-term relationships with customers. These are the job responsibilities. Coming to the qualifications, like the candidates have experience for 2 to 5 years in quota carrying sales and experience and working knowledge of CRM systems, demonstrable track record of overachieving quota, and strong written and verbal communication skills are required. Interested candidates can apply for this job role by the link provided in the description box. Next one, there is a job opening available in ACE Global Software Private Limited. They are looking for area sales manager. Coming to the job description, like strategic business planning, market evaluation and penetration and expansion, distribution width and depth, product and brand development, dealer network development, key account management, client relationship management, and team management. Coming to the eligibility criteria, like the candidates should have 5 to 8 years of experience in B2B channel, mobile and telecom sales experience is must. And the candidates should have minimum bachelor's degree and should have strong communication skills and salary will be up to 80,000 per month. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, you can please check once in the description box for the link. Next one, there is a job opening available in Orgi Staffing Services Private Limited. They are looking for business analyst. Coming to the job responsibilities, those like interaction with government customer on daily basis, demonstration of developed solution, requirement understanding and gathering, preparation of SRS and communicating the requirements to offshore development team, conducting training of delivered functionalities, testing of developed functionalities. These are the job responsibilities. Coming to the notice period, it will be they are looking for immediate joiners or maximum within 15 days. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, you can please check in the description box once for the link. Next one, there is a job opening available for sales marketing manager in Daksh Healthcare. Coming to the job responsibilities, handling B2B sales leads, generate new leads via online and offline promotion, promote and manage product portfolio, approach new healthcare and industrial clients, handling existing business accounts, manage online B2B portals like IndiaMart, Trade India, etc. And candidates with experience in the disposable surgical sector only apply. For more information and to apply for this job role, you can please check in the description box for the link. Coming to the last one, there is a job opening for web developer in DCCraft Social and it is a full-time opportunity and experience will be 1 year plus experience is required. And coming to the skills required like PHP frameworks, WordPress and JS frameworks. And coming to the requirements, the candidates should be an enthusiastic, willing to lead and explore the field, and hands-on experience in developing dynamic websites and web applications, blogs, and e-commerce platforms, and deep knowledge and experience in the application of PHP frameworks like Laravel and CA and WordPress, and knowledge of JS frameworks are preferable. Interested candidates, for more detailed information and to apply for this job role, the link is given below in the description box.
That's it in this video, guys.
If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.